Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook young chicken. First, select a young chicken, usually weighing between 2 and 3 pounds for optimal tenderness. Before cooking, always pat your chicken thoroughly dry with paper towels. This crucial step ensures a wonderfully crispy skin. Next, season it generously with your favorite herbs and spices, both inside and out. Finally, consider trussing the bird to promote even cooking and keep it moist. Roasting is a fantastic method for young chicken, yielding tender meat and crispy skin. Begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the prepared chicken on a roasting rack within a shallow pan. This allows hot air to circulate all around the bird. Roast for approximately 60 to 75 minutes, or until a meat thermometer inserted into the thickest part of the thigh reads 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Basting occasionally helps develop a rich, golden brown skin. For a quicker meal, pan-frying or sautéing young chicken pieces is an excellent choice. Start by cutting your chicken into 8 uniform pieces, which promotes faster and more even cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Cook the chicken pieces for 6 to 8 minutes per side, aiming for a beautiful golden brown crust. Always verify the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Ensuring your young chicken is perfectly cooked is key. Always use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. It should read 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part of the thigh. Another indicator is clear juices when you pierce the thigh. Once cooked, remove the chicken from the heat and let it rest, uncovered, for 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.